Good afternoon, everyone. It's Joshua. I'm making this video now, even though it's been some time since my last video, to invite you to play a spiritual game my wife and I have been doing for about 6 months now. And it began because of an insight that I had regarding the welfare of our nation, America. Now, if you're not American, just please apply this to your own nation. I realized that despite our very troubled and dark history, the reason perhaps that America has been so successful and so powerful, either in economy or even warfare, that because for generations, and we become a more secular nation, but previously we were a very religious and spiritual nation, and that was how and why we were founded by basically Freemasons, who were basically Christian mystics, and they instilled in the populace a constant prayerfulness and thankfulness and asking God to bless America. We put it on our money. People would say it over the dining room table. Now we're on our telephones, but they used to hold hands and thank you God for the meal, and also God bless America. Now, if you are Jewish, Muslim, Taoist, if you are Hindu, just substitute for God, obviously Buddha, Yahweh, Shiva, bless America. And I feel that we've kind of lost that element as we've become more and more secular over the last several decades. So basically, any time that we're out in public and we see an American flag, it could be someone's shorts that has the stars and stripes on it, we either silently to ourselves say, or out loud say, God bless America, and try to send that blessing out to the nation. I feel like we've been really, of course, divided lately, and I feel that a good way energetically and spiritually for those who know this kind of stuff, wish to bridge that gap, come along and play this game with me. Before dinner, bless your country. Whenever you see a flag anywhere in the street, I see one on television, I just kind of go, God bless America, and send that pulse out. And all of it equally works. Whether you're asking, whatever you regard as the source of creation, ask for that source to bless our country and our countrymen and countrywomen and children. And I invite you, whatever country you're in, to have the source of creation to please bless your nation with prosperity and unity and freedom and probably forgiveness. Everyone has a long history. So please join me in this game, just like the flag you saw waving in the beginning of the video. Just anytime you see one, you don't even have to say it out loud. I do, because I'm weird like that. But yeah, just silently in your heart, give a prayer of thanksgiving that we even live in this nation. It's a wonderful nation. It's a fixer-upper at the moment, but the bones are good. The foundation is good. So I invite you to join us in doing that. And I feel like we'll all feel the benefit collectively. When two or more are gathered, it's an exponential prayer. So please join us. And thank you for your time. May you be blessed. And may our country be blessed. And may all countries be blessed by the source of creation. And I love you.